Hi friends, today we are going to deal with the topic density of a substance. It is our second chapter from our textbook. Okay. Before going to density, I would like to explain about the basic concept from physics. One of the first thing you should know is, you should know about physical quantities. What do you mean by a physical quantity? Any quantity which can be measured is termed as physical quantity. That is, if you are able to measure it, then it is a physical quantity. If you are not able to measure, it is not a physical quantity. Now here you can see measurement. Just now we told about measure. If a quantity which can be measured is called physical quantity. So what is measurement? Measurement is the comparison of an unknown quantity with a non-fixed quantity. For example, this is my duster. I would like to measure the length of this duster. It is an unknown quantity. And you all are familiar with this. It's a ruler. And here it is, you can see the marks engraved 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, etc. So this is a known quantity. I am going to compare this unknown quantity with a known quantity. And you can find the length of this is almost 13 centimeter. Length of this duster is almost 13 centimeter. So that is measurement. Measurement is a comparison of unknown quantity with a non-fixed quantity of the same kind. We have to mention the term same kind because I cannot measure the length using a thermometer. I cannot measure the length using this watch measuring time. I cannot measure the length using kilogram, the standard weight. So, comparison. What is measurement? Measurement is a comparison of an unknown quantity with a non-fixed quantity of same kind. And as I told, the length of this duster is 13 centimeter. So, here I can show you the measurement has got two parts. The first part is magnitude and the second part is unit. 13 centimeter. Here 13 is the magnitude, or we can say it as number and unit. Either of the word are correct, either number or unit, or magnitude and unit. 5 kilogram apple. 5 is the magnitude and kilogram is the unit. So these are the two parts of a physical quantity or measurement. Now we can see the physical quantities are of two types. First one is fundamental quantities and second one is derived quantities. Fundamental, from the word itself it is clear, fundamental or basic quantities. The four fundamental quantities are length, mass, time, temperature. Okay, so these are the basic quantities or basic physical quantities or fundamental quantities. Now the second type is derived quantities. We have to derive certain physical quantities by combining two or more fundamental quantities. For example, I can say area. How can you find the area of the surface? This is like a rectangle. We can find the area using length into breadth. That is length and length. Both are meters. So, length twice. We are multiplying length into length. That is we are comparing the length twice to get area. Same way to get the volume. Length into breadth into height. Okay. Length, breadth and height. Anyway you can take. So we are comparing length, breadth, height together. You will get the volume. Speed. Speed is distance traveled by a body by time. Okay, that is the formula for speed. I don't know whether you know this or not. Speed is distance by time. So distance, that is length. Distance between 2 points. We will measure the length by time. Time is again the next fundamental quantity. So we are comparing length and time. Now our last one, density. The formula for density is mass by volume. So again we are going to study about mass. Here mass is the fundamental quantity. Mass by volume. Volume means length into breadth into height. 3 times length. So mass and volume we combine together to got density. That means here you can see that here this chapter we are going to deal with density in detail.